Have you ever wondered how some people can eat cheese, bacon, and butter and still lose weight? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Welcome to the world of the keto diet, a powerful strategy that's transforming the way people think about food and health. At its core, the keto diet is all about changing the way your body gets energy. Normally your body uses carbohydrates from foods like bread, pasta, and fruits for fuel. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, a type of sugar, which it uses for energy. But when you drastically cut down on carbs, your body needs to find another source of fuel. That's where fat comes in. When you stop feeding your body carbs, your liver starts breaking down fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones then become the new energy source for your brain and muscles. This process is called ketosis, and it's the key to the keto diet's fat-burning power. Essentially, the keto diet forces your body into a fat-burning mode, making it more efficient at using stored fat for fuel. But why does this matter? By reducing carbs and increasing fat intake, the body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy. This shift can lead to weight loss, improved mental clarity, and even better control over blood sugar levels. The high-fat, low-carb nature of the keto diet means you're eating foods like meat, eggs, cheese, and avocados, while cutting out most bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. On top of weight loss, some people report experiencing more stable energy levels and reduced hunger while on the keto diet. This is because fat burns more slowly than carbs, helping you feel fuller for longer periods. The keto diet also keeps insulin levels low, which can be beneficial for those managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. However, just like any diet, keto isn't for everyone. It can be tough to stick to at first, especially because your body needs time to adjust to burning fat instead of carbs. Some people experience what's known as the keto flu, which includes symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability. The good news is that these symptoms usually pass after a few days as the body adapts. Drinking plenty of water, getting enough salt, and gradually reducing carbs can help ease the transition. But the keto diet isn't just about weight loss. It has a long history of being used for therapeutic benefits. For example, it has been used to treat epilepsy for decades, helping to reduce seizures in some patients. There's even some research suggesting keto may have a role in improving heart health by lowering triglycerides and raising HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. In conclusion, the keto diet works by shifting your body's primary energy source from carbs to fat, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. This process, called ketosis, can lead to weight loss and a variety of health benefits, from better mental clarity to more stable energy levels. While it might not be for everyone, for many, the keto diet has proven to be an effective tool in achieving a healthier lifestyle. If you're considering giving it a try, start by swapping out a few high-carb foods for healthier fats, and see how your body reacts. Just remember, it's always a good idea to check in with a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet. What's your experience with keto? Have you noticed any changes in your energy or weight? Let us know in the comments below. The keto diet is just one of many paths to health, but for many, it's the journey that makes all the difference. Could it be the right fit for you?
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.